Hey y'all! Today we're going to be making one pan chicken fajitas, a delicious, super easy recipe that I make all the time. You're going to need 1 bag of baby bell peppers, half of a yellow onion and avocado for topping, salt, pepper, chili powder, avocado oil, and 1 to 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. First things first, we're going to prep our veggies. You're going to cut the top off, de-seed, and slice straight down the center of the baby bell pepper. If you'd like your slices to be a little bit thinner, cut it in half one more time. Next up, we have our onion. You're just going to want to cut this into long strips. They can be thin or thick. It's completely up to you and whatever your preference is. I will tell you, the onions are one of my favorite parts of this recipe. They are so yummy. Now you're going to put your tinfoil on top of your baking sheet and transfer all of your veggies there. Layering is totally fine. Just make sure that they're spread out as much as possible. You're going to drizzle everything with a light coat of olive oil, and then after you've mixed all of your spices together, you'll take half of that mixture and season your veggies. Now we broil on high for 10 minutes. While we wait on our vegetables to char, let's work on the chicken. You'll cut thin strips and then cut that strip in half, pretty much to your desired size. Just like everything else in this recipe, it kind of comes down to preference. Just make sure that they're all similar so they cook at the same time. Once the chicken is all cut up, you're going to throw it in a bowl with a little bit of olive oil and the rest of your remaining spices. Just make sure that the chicken is fully coated. And this is what your veggies are going to look like when they come out of the oven, nice and charred and absolutely delicious looking. Now we're going to layer our chicken on top of the vegetables. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. As long as they're not touching, you're good. Now we broil for 5 more minutes. While we're waiting on our chicken to cook, we're going to go ahead and warm up the tortillas. And once you take your chicken out of the oven, you are all done and ready to eat. There you have it, one pan chicken fajitas. Let me know what you guys want to see next.